It's my extreme pleasure to welcome you to the fireworks and of course incorporating selective lighting, as you will see behind me. Today we're giving you some great news for a really dark and gloomy cold winter coming. Same as we had in 23, all expectations you need to heat up. Great news, we're going to help you. So next to me we have this beauty finished in either chrome or black. This is our Kobra range of stoves, as you would call it, fireplaces. These units come in different sizes. They'll be able to warm up a space from about 90 square meters and less up to above 200 square meters. So whether you want to heat up that intimate space at home or a huge open plan space, we have a solution tailored for your specific need. If you look at the unit next to me, you'll see that we've got a raised unit which allows you really clear access to the beautiful fire burning inside. It will be burning behind this door. It's on a log box that raises it and of course adds additional utility by putting the logs you need right in front of you. That's not all. It's really efficient. It will burn longer, slower and radiate more heat than conventional fireplaces. At the fireworks, it's the gift that keeps on giving. So not only do we have discounted models available till the end of April, but we'll throw in some free accessories with some of the units, some other units, some free components, including flues and stuff that you'll need to fit your fireplace. So don't wait. While it's really cooking outside, get ready for that gloomy winter. Grab your fireplace from the fireworks. Our consultants are ready to take your order and ship it to you right now.